Hey everyone, link holders, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk Chainlink in this video, get into a little bit of a price forecast as Chainlink has rebounded and the real world utility and the bullish bets are continuing to surmount. I want to get down into this breakdown. We are going to look into this article and talk some Chainlink here in this video. All right, so if you guys are new to the channel, awesome. Make sure you all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. We do talk crypto each and every single day. And with that being said, guys, please remember none of this is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. And let's talk some links. So as we get into the crypto bubbles, you can see it's been an impressive day. Chainlink up 7.9%, trading hands at that 1548 high point on the day. But now we can find Chainlink at 15.12 at the time of this recording. So please keep in mind these prices are not real time. You may be watching this video hours from now, where we will see some significant price impact. But the market is pumping. Okay. So it's been a great day for crypto. Chainlink coming in 13th in market cap. And I will never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto. But in my vantage point here, as we look at the market, I look at RWAs. I favor them quite a bit. I talk Ondo a lot. But Chainlink right now, as it stands, is, in my opinion, one of the best value plays that we have in the entire crypto landscape. So I wanted to kind of get that message across before we get moving a little further, okay? But if you are looking to buy or sell crypto, check out our friends at BTCC. I do have a link down below for our sponsored exchange. That's where you can get a 10% bonus on your first deposit, as well as 40% lower trading fees. No VPN KYC necessary. So if you are a spot or leverage trader and you do want to start trading on BTCC, check out my link down below and start trading today, all right? But back into this article, as we look at Chainlink's price, it is up since this article has been published. But as we look into the secure exchange of the Hong Kong CBDC and Australian dollar stablecoin, they're facilitating that exchange. Okay, that's a big move in the Chainlink news on the day. Also, the derivatives data showing that Link has a lot of bullish bets amongst traders, reaching the highest level in over a month. Now, let's look at that and what actually that means. A couple of these big headlines here. That's where we've seen it, the highest level in over a month on those futures bets. And now as we look at the trusted Oracle network in a financial infrastructure, the news announced late Monday that we have enabled the CBDC and stablecoin swaps between Hong Kong and Australia. That's going to involve major players such as Visa, Fidelity, China AMC within the cross-border exchange involved within this. This is going to be something that does utilize Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, their CCIP, that is going to probably lead in that metric moving forward. Kind of the one thing that Chainlink does hang their hats on right now currently in the market. All right, and as we look at this, guys, this is the official announcement from Chainlink on X. You can kind of see their roadmap and how this all would take place. It's very technical out there as you see how this the payment does get processed and then the delivery of payment, okay? And that's how Chainlink's CCIP is implemented and has that result, okay? But as we look into the bullish sign for Link in the longer term, this is where we look at the long to short ratio, okay? Right now it's reading 1.25. That is the highest level in over a month. Now this ratio, anytime it's above a 1, a value of 1, that does reflect a bullish sentiment in the market, where more traders are betting on the rising asset to rise, the price of the asset to rise, okay? So that's the data you can find there from CoinGlass. Very, very nice little platform I use for data analytics as well. So you can see right there, Chainlink is booming as we were hovering below this. As we saw, we were below that one value. And now recently in just the last month, as we look into the month of June, you can see this rising from a roughly a sub 1 value to now at a 1.25 level, okay? So as the bulls continue to aim for a higher leg for Chainlink, I want to show you guys kind of what we have going on. I will pull up the trading view, okay? And that's where you're going to find Link here. We're going to look at the trading view and I'll show you guys the chart. Okay, and that's kind of where we've been on a rising little trend line here as I have mapped this out dating back over the last year or so, dating back to June of 2024. It's been where we have recently kind of got back over $25, some sell-offs, but still trending above that blue line. We just recently wicked above it here as we are currently trading at 15.13. So please keep that in mind as we look into what Chainlink is doing moving forward. But this is kind of where we look into the fact that this is kind kind of real in what we were talking about within the data. Okay, we have kind of reached that daily level of 1259 a little bit, and this is something where we have wicked up and have seen a nice little candle way above that, as we are now trading at 15. But as we move higher, you have to look at this rally continuing to retest the recent high of May 29th. That's where we've retested 1619. If we close above that, we could see some movement as we look to get back above $18. You can see that right here at the top level of that SMA. And that's back on May 10th, May 11th, where we were on that level. However, right now, the RSI is at neutral 49. That would kind of indicate that we are kind of deciding if we're going to be bearish or bullish, okay? But if we couple this data, we use it and compile it with the CoinGlass numbers, where there are more long bets on Chainlink than shorts, I think that does set up for a nice little upward trend that we will see, and potentially even a buying signal to indicate a further upward trend, okay? So that's kind of what we have. We'll see kind of how the charts move moving forward, but I wanted to give you guys these couple Chainlink headlines as well as my chart perspective as we get deeper into this day and beyond. So thank you guys for all watching. Appreciate you all tuning in. This was my quick update. If you have not done so by now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. Also, if you guys want to start trading on BTCC, do your research, do your due diligence, and start trading today. That link is down below in the description. All right. With that, I'll leave you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.